In the annals of military history, the McDonnell Douglas A-12 Avenger II stands as a stark reminder of ambition, innovation, and failure. In the early 80s, whispers of a secretive project began to circulate among defense circles. The year was 1983 when the curtain was finally lifted, revealing a marvel of modern engineering, the A-12 Avenger II. This new stealth bomber, designed exclusively for the US Navy, was unlike anything the world had seen. Its unique triangular form, a departure from conventional aircraft designs, had the world buzzing with excitement. This distinctive shape earned it an affectionate, albeit peculiar, nickname: the Flying Dorito. The A-12 Avenger II was more than just a unique silhouette. It was a testament to the potential of human ingenuity. It boasted unprecedented features and capabilities that were set to redefine the art of aerial warfare. With a design so far ahead of its time, the A-12 Avenger II promised to revolutionize the way wars were fought. The A-12 Avenger II was not just an aircraft. It was a symbol of hope for a more efficient, more effective military. This flying Dorito, as it was fondly dubbed, was a marvel of stealth technology, promising to glide undetected through enemy radar. Its advanced radar systems were set to provide unmatched target acquisition capabilities, a true game-changer in military operations. But the A-12 Avenger II was not just about stealth and radar. It was designed to carry a hefty payload of weapons with the capacity to deliver a deadly blow to adversaries. This aircraft was all about power, precision, and performance, and it promised to transform the US Navy into an even more formidable force. Imagine the possibilities of such an aircraft. It could have revolutionized naval warfare, making the US Navy virtually invincible. The A-12 Avenger II was a beacon of hope for a stronger, more secure future. But behind the shining promise of the A-12 Avenger II, a storm was brewing. As the development marched on, the project began to stumble under its own weight. The high-tech stealth design, though impressive on paper, proved to be a tough nut to crack. Engineers grappled with unprecedented technical difficulties. The radar-absorbing skin of the aircraft, a key feature for its stealth capabilities, was particularly challenging to perfect. Meanwhile, the program was hemorrhaging money. The initial budget was quickly exhausted, and cost overruns became the norm rather than the exception. Each delay, each technical hiccup added more dollars to the growing tab. What was supposed to be a showcase of military prowess was turning into a financial sinkhole. The future of the A-12 Avenger II was cast into doubt. The glittering promise it once held was tarnished by the harsh realities of its development. The A-12 Avenger II, once a symbol of hope, was now a symbol of failure. The downfall of the A-12 Avenger II is a cautionary tale of military procurement failure. It's a story that unfolded in 1991 when the project was cancelled after consuming over $5 billion. But why did it happen? What lessons can we glean from this colossal failure? It all boils down to three critical factors: realistic budgeting, thorough testing, and careful project management. The A-12 Avenger II project was marred by inflated budgets that spiraled out of control. Testing was rushed, and critical design flaws were overlooked. Management of the project was haphazard, leading to missed deadlines and escalating costs. The legacy of the A-12 Avenger II is not one of triumph, but rather a tale of unchecked ambition and lack of foresight. It serves as a stark reminder of the perils of poorly managed projects and the importance of careful planning. The A-12 Avenger II may have failed, but its story serves as a stark reminder of the perils of unchecked ambition and the importance of careful planning.